Alright, so the matter straight chance on Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy. If you just tune into the station, I tell you, as I day now, at the verse, I know why the verse, because sometimes like I say, some people don't really feel us for this country, but some people they make us pass for this country. That's why I enter straight today. Say, I need to ask, say, police and lawyer, which one you prefer? Police and lawyer, which one you prefer? Either I prefer police or lawyer. Make we know. Police or lawyer, which one you prefer? Madam, how you doing now? Now, Wazobia TV be this. How you doing?
Fine.
Good afternoon. Police and lawyer, which one you prefer?
Both of them are working for government. Both are working for government. I work for people also. So two of them are good. There's nothing bad in them.
So there's no one. Madam, you be police?
No.
Which one you be?
I'm self-employment.
Eh?
I'm self-employment person.
Self-employed person. All right. Lawyer and police. Say police and lawyer. Say both of them.
For the right of people.
They're working for the right of people.
So it depends the view you see it. Either they are good or bad. Everybody has his own shortcoming.
Okay.
So you can't say they are bad when they are protecting people. Also, lawyer fight for people's rights.
So a lawyer they fight for people right.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much. All right. So let the matter straight and the woman never give me what I want. Because me, I know what I want here now. That's why they enter street. Now know what I want here. How far your back they scratch you? Sorry, hey, yeah, the thing they hurt you, Abi. Sorry, though. How far? My brother, how you doing now?
Fine.
Police and lawyer, which one you prefer?
Doctor. Lawyer.
Lawyer? You prefer lawyer?
Yes.
Why not prefer police?
No, I don't like police. Police now person. Yes. I don't like Yes.
Bros, how far?
Bros, I swear this work what we dey do we dey dangerous because we dey find the thing where we dey chop.
Police and lawyer, sure.
Police dey disturb us at all.
Police dey disturb
they don't disturb us abeg o. Make them take it easy now. Na the thing where we dey chop we dey find now. Don't say make them take it easy.
All right, bro, how far are you there? Police and lawyer, which one you prefer?
Na police yo. Tori you know say police for nowadays we no dey work again. But if police catch us, we go Oshamo. Our teeth, one you come Oshamo. And jẹun lọ na.
Our
teeth lọ ni. Taba ti teeth, a ní chance láti lọ ni efele. Gbéra, ajá one.
Ṣé gbogbo gbéra?
Ó kọjá bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ajá two.
Gbéra.
Ajá three.
Má lọ gájá mi jẹ. Eré. Tó bá ti wẹ̀yìn.
Tó bá ti dé báyìí. Police tẹ́ bá ti tin fún police báyìí. Ṣé gbogbo police ló ń gba tin?
No, gbogbo police kọ́ o, bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́ mọ̀ àwọn náà wá nǹkan táwa náà máa jẹ ni. Àwọn náà help wa káwa náà lè jẹun. Tí gbogbo wọn bá wà bẹ́ẹ̀, à nílé ráyè jẹun. Ṣẹ́gẹ̀tì ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ tá bá ti àwọn tó máa ó yẹ máa ṣiṣẹ́ lọ.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni rẹ̀ wáyà ṣe. Afa how you dey wetin you talk now? Alaye wetin you talk now?
Wetin I talk be say with corruption pure water na 70 naira for bag. Without corruption pure water na 150. You understand? So give us corruption back.
Not me hold on now.
Na you go na you go tell them say
that side now.
No, you say look at it with corruption pure water 55 naira. Without corruption now 10 naira.
As you do now, make I ask you one question. Police and lawyer, which one you prefer?
Police and lawyer. Which one I go prefer? Bros, I go prefer lawyer.
Why?
Why? Lawyer go know him right. Police sometimes you don't know him right.
All right.
Before I forget, dollar with corruption. Dollar with corruption. He never pass 180. Without corruption, dollar na 300, 350, 370. Inflation gone dey high. Tomato na 700 to 1,000. Rice now 13,500. You understand? this change.
All right, so no matter street cars or whatsoever.
Meet am.
After how you dey? Wetin una dey do inside here?
They wait for turn.
Okay. Okay, una dey wait for turn. Where una dey go?
We dey go Ijebu now.
Okay, here they cut Ijebu.
No be say cut. Now here where we dey.
Straight down, yeah, straight down I be Ijebu. Ah, I dey hear of Ijebu. I say na one kind far place. Na village. No wonder this man get holding this thing fully house. All right, so no matter straight chance or whatsoever. Okay, good afternoon. Okay, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Oh, but Nigerians the best, yeah. Nigerians the best. My brother, how far?
Fine, my brother, fine. I'm okay. Right there.
You like police and lawyer? Which one you prefer?
Now you know that. Now from police to the lawyer. When you didn't enter police next, you can't go to the lawyer.
Okay. So which one you prefer?
Yeah, I prefer lawyer.
You prefer lawyer?
Yeah, than police. Because you know when you put a lawyer matter, so you know your rights. Yeah, that's why.
But why I say? Oh shit, Mama. Good afternoon. Wazobia TV. How far, Mama?
Come your bar.
Ẹjọ, bá sọ̀rọ̀.
Kí ni mo fẹ́ sọ?
Okay, question Nikoni. Police and lawyer, which one you prefer?
Police and lawyer.
Which one you prefer?
Lawyer.
Lawyer.
Ẹ mọ̀ pé lawyer máa.
Police wọn dá náà ni.
Police under kí ni?
Wọ́n dára náà, ẹ jẹ́ be good person na.
Police dára bẹ̀tì lawyer yìí dára ju police lọ.
All right, so let the matter straight terms of Wazobia TV. My brother, how far now? How you dey? How far, how you dey? Bros, wait now. Police and lawyer, which one you prefer?
Lawyer.
Okay, how far? Police and lawyer, which one you prefer?
Lawyer.
All right, so I said a lawyer. Ladies and gentlemen, like this, I tell you to wrap up the show right away. My name is MC Shaggy, and so I tell you, okay. Like I say, I need to before I wrap up this show, I need to look for like 2 or 3 people, make I know whether soon I talk. Bro, have fun. How you dey?
Hey, bros, me I no be talk.
Talk. If you talk, you be deaf and dumb.
No.
You be deaf and dumb.
No.
You must
Come.
talk. You must talk. All of
Don't talk.
them.
No. Don't talk. Lawyer, police.
How far? Police and lawyer, which one you prefer?
I prefer lawyer now.
Why you talk like that?
Police, yeah, why you too much?
Yeah, why you too
They
much?
know they straightforward.
know
They
they-
be now, everyone you know.
Okay. Say what it.
They now. Police.
You prefer lawyer? Prefer lawyer?
Yes.
I talk to you, not like.
Wait
lawyer,
happen.
lawyer.
Wait happen. Huh?
Lawyer and police, what you prefer?
I like all of them now.
You like all of them?
Eh.
Why you talk like that?
Why you talk like that? Stop them. They work together now.
2 of them work together.
Yes now.
All of them.
Law is better than police.
Lawyer is better than police.
Very far. Yes, law is better than police. Yes.
All right, so let the matter straight chance on Wazobia TV. All right. I dey come. I know come over. Oga. Mama, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Police and lawyer, which one you prefer? Now Wazobia TV be this. Police and lawyer, which one you prefer?
Wo lọ́ọ̀yà ẹ fi mí lẹ̀.
Oh, lawyer mi ṣe lawyer na.
Kí ló dé?
Ẹ ń pè mí lawyer ni. Police and lawyer, which one you prefer?
Ẹjọ́ mi ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lọ máa kí ló dé?
Kí ló dé?
Irú wàhálà wà lẹ́lẹ̀.
Sọ̀rọ̀ náà.
Kí ló ní sọ?
Police and lawyer, which one you prefer?
Police.
Police. You prefer police, abi? Okay, your people then.
Ẹ báwo ni alájà? Ẹ lọ máa ṣọ́ mi nù táàkì ẹ̀ta yìí. Ẹ jọ gẹ̀ẹ́tì ara yìí. Èlé lẹ́yìn fún mi tẹ́lẹ̀ kí a máa sọ̀rọ̀.
All right, so on the matter street chance on Wazobia TV. My name remains MC Shaggy, your number 1, your finest. Thank you very much. Now, like this, I have to wrap up right away. Back there, why I say, Oga, good afternoon. All right, I know say you don't tire, and I go help you carry this your load where you carry.
How
you did that? Wazobia TV.
I dey feel you.
All right. Police and lawyer, which one you prefer?
You know what? Even with the police, me I prefer even the lawyer self. Because this police way is so. Most of them, you know, like for instance, I have an issue with police when they see the truth, just because the other side have given them money. You understand? They twist the case, but the reverse now be the case. When I was supposed to lock me, you know, I have to like call a commissioner friend of mine that said that case is not a police case, that they should drop the case. So what about if me I not get a kind of commissioner friend, you know, what do you think will happen? I go sleep for sale now.
Sleep there.
So how you say? Guy, let me spot you. I will just die there. Guy, I'm about to go.
All right, thank you very much. God bless you. All right, now so at the wrap up this show, this segment. Thank you very much, police and lawyer. Majority people say they prefer lawyer most of the time, but some say all of them work together. This and that. Now this woman carry umbrella console, and I know say this woman go prefer lawyer, go prefer police. Which one you prefer?
I prefer lawyer.
Prefer lawyer.
Yes.
Why?
A lawyer dey help people now.
Police no fit help you.
Police dem dey somehow.
They dey somehow.
I no fit trust them.
No fit trust them.
At all.
Back at that, trust no one. Thank you very much. My name is MC Shaggy. Back it.
If you just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.